Okay, so we're going to open a Hatchimals that my grandma gave me for my birthday, and we're going to open it right now.
Right now. So we need a little help.
Yep.
So we're gonna get a little scissor here. Snip, snip, snip. See if you can get that corner. Pull, pull, pull. Do I have to make it bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. Let's get it a little bit bigger. Hold on, hold on. There, try and get that piece. Rip it up. No. That didn't do anything. Rip, rip, rip. Rip, 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 rip. There. Come on, paper. Let's get rid of it. There.
I see the hair.
You see the hair. Here, let's snip the tag. And here is a Hatchimals Mystery Mini Plush Clip-On Series 1.
Can't open it.
Alright, let's see. How can we do this? Oh, there we go. What's it gonna be? A little baby cute Hatchimal. He's so cute.
Fuzzy.
And fuzzy. Here, let's see. Turn him around. Aw, he's got glittery cute eyes and cute little wings.
Yep.
What a cute little Hatchimal. Right here. It's that one. Yep. But he doesn't have a name, I don't think. We can name him. What do you want to name him?
I want to name him Bluey.
Bluey? Cute.
He has blue.
Aw, he's so cute and snuggly.
I'm asleep with him.
How cute. Alright. That was a little mini mystery Hatchimal. And he's got his little carrying case, and we can stick him on your book bag.
No, I want to keep him
Okay, sure.
in here for a nice home.
Okay, yep, that's his nice cozy little egg home.
Can't open it.
There you go. You got it. And stick him back in. Good night, little Hatchimal. Take a nap. He's so tired. That was a lot of work.
Yeah, for him.
Trying to get out his shell. Yay! Good night, little Bluey Hatchimal.
Yay. Good night, Bluey.
Goodbye.